This YouTube short got over 5 million views, and this TikTok video got over 10 million views. Telling stories through text is the best niche currently, because all the videos get millions on millions of views. Just take a look at what
Talk to you. It's very important.
What is it?
Are you alone right now?
Yeah, I'm in my room watching Netflix.
Since there are so many free text-to-speech programs, you have nothing to worry. We are not going to use only that, but all free AI tools to help us make this exact type of videos and edit it all in CapCut. So make sure you stay and watch it to the end.
First of all, open your browser and search for TikTok, and now click on that one. Now search for texty.stories.daily and click on that one. Here you should scroll down and choose your favorite story in the videos. I will take that one, and copy the video's URL and open your browser. And this time search for Save from TikTok without watermark and click on that one. And just scroll down a little and click on that one. And this time, paste your link there and click on the download button. And now scroll down a little and click on another download button. As you can see, the video just got downloaded. This time, open another tab in your browser and search for Oris AI and click on that one. And this time sign up or log in. After getting in, open your downloads folder and import the downloaded TikTok video. And this time click on transcript and make sure the language is set to English, then click on the upload button. And wait, once it's done uploading, just click on it. Now this time you can see the full script and also speakers 1 and 2, which is just what we need. Now click that download button and download the script. As you can see, it's better this way. So let's move on to the next step. And this time open your browser and search for ChatGPT. And this time, copy the script we just transcribed. Type reword this and paste it. This way, ChatGPT will rephrase the script for you to make use of it, and then copy the rephrased script and save it in a document file. And now open a new tab in your browser and search for Text Chat Animator, and then click on this one. Here you should scroll down and rename like 2 characters and start creating a chat. To do that, go to your script and copy a line, then come here and paste it, then choose a name. Since the first speaker is Jordan, I will let Brian be the second speaker. Or, in your case, take a look at the video we turned into a script and pick names for your speaker so it will not confuse you. Now continue copying every line and give it a speaker. After that, I picked Jordy, and that's because I want only 2 speakers. Make sure you take note of that. And this time we need to get profile pictures for them, so open a new tab in your browser and search for pixels, and click on that one. And this time search for man. Choose the image you like and then search for girl. Also, choose any image you like. Then go back to Chat Animator. By clicking on that button, you should upload the images you downloaded to the chosen characters. And finally, it's time to click on the record animation button and wait for it to record your text messages. Once it's done recording, it will automatically download as you can see it here. Finally, it is time to start converting our chats into voiceovers so we can edit them. Clipchamp is an online video editing tool. Edit. Simply open your browser and search for Clipchamp. And this time click on that one. And here you should click on sign in and fill your info. And here you should click on create new video. And this time click on the record and create button. And this time scroll down a little and you will find the text to speech button. And now click on it. And this time click on got it and choose a voice. As you can see, there is a lot of voices, but I will take that one for Brian. So let's copy a line in our script and listen to it.
Hey babe, I gotta talk to you. It's very important.
Well, that voice sounds good. So this time let's choose a female's voice since we have 2 characters, male and female. For the female, I will choose that one. And now let's try the voice.
Hey babe, I gotta talk to you. It's very important.
We'll use 11 Labs for my voiceover because it's more expressive. Open your browser and search for 11 Labs, and then click on that one. And here you should sign up or log in, and then paste a line from the script and choose Adam for the male character. And for the female character, choose Freya's voice. And now you can carefully convert your conversation into voices. Then let us proceed to the final phase, which is editing. So open CapCut and import the chat video with text animation that we just took a few minutes ago. And this time, drag it down to the timeline. And move this thing until you can see the chat filled on your player. So just split that part and delete the beginning. So go back to the beginning and click on freeze. And this time, keep an eye on this last message. Once it gets to the top here, we will stop moving and delete the beginning, then freeze the full chat again. Just make sure you are doing it exactly how I am doing it. And once you are done freezing only full chats, it is time to import those voiceovers. So just line which you converted to an audio. Now cut the first clip exactly on the size of the first line audio and increase its size. Then crop that first clip to fit only the first line. And that is what we're going to do to all the chats. Line by line, each chat gets cropped, and an audio for the chat gets under the cropped chat. So look carefully. Click on that crop button, drag the edge of cropping tool, stop right under the second chat, and then click on confirm. Now let's continue doing it until we get done with all of this. If you look carefully, I'm just doing the exact same thing to all the remaining chats by simply fitting the cropped chat with its voiceover. Once you're done with all this, we will go to finding a background. Now that we're done, open your browser and search for youtube.com. And this time search for Minecraft Parker gameplay and choose any Minecraft gameplay video you like and then download it. Import it to CapCut carefully. This time, highlight all of your clips and keep them above the Minecraft video. And as you can see, the Minecraft video is now a background. And finally, you can click on Export button.